Hey everyone, and welcome to another SEO tutorial. This is about the Google Search Console and how it can help you to check your SEO progress, right? Whether that's you're the business owner and you're doing the work yourself, or whether you have hired an SEO company and you want to check on it. So you need this installed. You need your Google Analytics set up for your website. And after that, you can come in. And the tab that probably the most important for today is this, and here in the upper left with performance. So once you click on that performance, then you'll see that you can put some filters in here, like the search type that you want. If you click on this, you can change it so you can see whether it's web, image, video, or news. And of course, you can also click on the date range that you want to check of your ranking for. Okay, so this will tell you the clicks, and this will also tell you the impressions that you're getting for these given restrictions, right? Your site for the last 3 months, and for the search basics of the web. And of course, not only can you do queries, but you can look at individual pages. Countries for most sites probably isn't going to be all that important unless you're an international. Devices tells you the type of devices that you'll be on. And search appearance tell you whether it's coming in through that videos, that web light results. And the last thing, of course, dates. You can actually go drill down to a specific day, and that may help you if you need to know. And like all of these, if we scroll down, you'll see that this is only showing the first 10 pages. So you can see that there are 92, and of course you can also use the drop down and increase your range so that you see more on the whole page. Right, so that'll help you out to see more of the whole picture. And the other thing that's really nice and helpful if you're doing this over time, maybe you want to put them into a database or just something as simple as a spreadsheet, you can export this. That way the information that you have. Alright, so I hope this helps in you being able to see how your SEO company is really providing performance results, to see if your queries are getting more clicks and more impressions with the changes that you're making. Thanks, and I hope this helps.